attention toward the school. So I'm going to place a terrifying monster right here to scare him that way. Here we go. We'll start with some classic nether blocks. Perhaps a nylium up top. We're going to use it to make a terrifying spine. Then I'll put a trapdoor down right here for a bit of texture. Weeping vines on its underbelly. And then
Kinikilig, tinawta.
with the skull.
Kulin? Ito lang? No, thanks. Okay. Ganito eh. Kanina pa hindi mo get ano yun eh. Yung mas ganda, mas Spider-Man. Nakita ko. Kanina.